Welcome everybody. In this video, we will provide you with the sufficient and professional explanation for the cause and the working fix for most common issues of the VideoStudio, such as slow performance, not responding, freezing, crashing, rendering errors, black dots in saved videos and more. Most issues are related to VideoStudio settings, missing required apps, codecs, or updates, Windows permission, video or image format, transitions, and effects, graphic drivers. Other issues. We will show you ways to fix all of them one by one, starting with the most important step, along with the expected results or problems that can be solved with each step. But before we get started, there are a few important notes. You can use the play and pause button or enable the slow play feature on YouTube if you cannot catch us while applying steps. You can apply all steps or apply the first then the second and then the next until the problem is solved, or apply the step that is applicable to your problem only. Be positive and help others by commenting on the type of problem you were suffering from and the step that helped you solve it. Be positive also and support us by clicking like button, subscribing to the channel, and activating the bell to receive similar useful videos. In case of any addition or modification in steps, we will put that in the video description. If you cannot understand any step or cannot solve your problem, do not hesitate to ask us and we will do our best to help you. Resetting library. This step will fix crashing issue. Go to Settings, Library Manager, and select Reset Library option. Click Yes and wait for library reset to complete. Click Yes and restart VideoStudio app. Disabling accelerations options. This step will fix freezing issue. Go to Settings, Preferences, and navigate to Performance panel. Uncheck all acceleration options and click OK. You may disable them one by one to see which one is the source of issue. Restart VideoStudio app. Installing updates or patches. This step will fix freezing and or crashing issue, in addition to enhancing performance or adding new features. Open VideoStudio updates page from links in video description. Select VideoStudio from product list. Select version of installed app in your laptop from version list. Navigate to recent update patch and click download button. Install the downloaded patch or update and restart laptop if you ask to restart. Installing QuickTime Player. This app is required by VideoStudio app for normal project preview during editing processes. Open download page of QuickTime Player from the link in video description. Select latest suitable version for your system and click download button. Install the app after finishing download. Restart VideoStudio app. Installing Codecs pack. This pack will fix issues related to freezing or crashing due to older codecs of VideoStudio. Open download page of K-Lite Codec Pack Mega from the link in video description. Select latest suitable version and click any server to download. Install the Codecs app after finishing download. Restart VideoStudio. Run app in an administrator mode. This step will fix crashing issue, but you will be unable to use drag and drop of media property into timeline. Right-click the software icon and select Properties. Navigate to Compatibility panel and enable Run this program as an administrator. Click OK and restart the app. If this step didn't solve your problem, disable Run this program as an administrator option to restore drag and drop of media. You can know the video or image that causes the problem if that problem occurs only at a specific clip or image during the preview and does not occur in the rest of the project. Also, enabling the preview when saving the video will help you to know the video, the image, the transition, or effect that prevents the program from completing video rendering. Convert video to another or to the same format. This will fix slow performance of editing, rendering errors, freezing and or crashing issues that occur with some videos. Also it will fix black dots in produced videos. Close the VideoStudio from Task Manager if it still freezes and not responding. Open the folder that contains the affected video. Open the converter software that you are using, or download the free one from the link in the video description. Drag and drop the video into the converter interface and convert it into MP4 or WMV format with the same original resolution or less, but not to higher resolution than the original video. Even if the original video is in MP4, WMV or other formats, converting it will fix mentioned issues. When the converting process completed, rename the original video to new name. Copy the converted video to folder of original video and rename it to the name of original video before modification in the previous step. The converted video itself may lead to mentioned issues, especially with produced videos in high compression algorithm or with some encoders in handbrake video converter. Open your project in VideoStudio. The VideoStudio will deals with the new converted video as if it's the original video. However, if you ask to relink the video, click Relink button and navigate to the folder of the video, read the video name from the top of opened windows and select the matched converted video, then click Open button. If you are facing the issue with specific image, try to change its format using Paint or Photoshop apps or any photo editor app. Replace the old image with new one from VideoStudio as you see with video replacement previously. Remove or replace video or image effect and/or transitions, if the problem occurs at a specific point of effect or transition. Installing or updating display drivers. This may fix many issues and will enhance the overall software performance and stability. Right-click on Start icon and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters list. Right-click on the display card and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait for update to complete. Sometimes auto-update of display drivers could lead to occurrence of previous or related issues, especially with older graphic cards that is not supported by your current operating system. For example, if you have a Windows 10 installed in an older laptop that only support Windows XP. So, if the auto-update leads to a new issue or you suspected that it's the source of previous issue, you can use the service tag or corresponding number from on the bottom, side, or back cover of your laptop and search for the correct driver from the official website of the laptop manufacturer. Restart your computer after finishing update. Update or disable the second graphic unit if available. This may fix many issues, especially when the graphic card is damaged or its driver is incompatible or corrupted. The CPU and/or RAM are busying by other processes or apps. Close all apps and/or end all unrequired processes that may limit your hardware resources. Close only known apps and avoid to close system apps or services. Storage issues. Try to delete unnecessary files from C partition and/or move large files to another disk or partition. If you have SSD drive in your laptop, try to transfer the original videos and change the directory of file location of saving projects into it. If you have 2 SSD drives, put the original video in one SSD and save your projects into another. Windows updates. Windows Update may fix many issues, but in some situations may lead to such issues. Try to update your Windows. If you think the last Windows updates lead to your current issue, try to uninstall it one by one and restart your laptop after each package removal. Font type and text layer. Try to change the font of text if the issue occurs when you are trying to edit the text or preview the project around it. Many layers or higher video resolution in front of low or insufficient hardware. Try to decrease the project layers or divide your project into many sections, then edit and save each section alone. After that, merge all produced sections into one video. Corrupted or missed files of VideoStudio application. If the installation files of VideoStudio mistakenly deleted by the user, antivirus, or due to viral or malware apps, a fresh installation by complete removal of VideoStudio app and reinstalling it will fix the first two mistakes. But the last one, which is the viral related issue, you should clean up your laptop using antiviral app or by Windows reset or format before doing a fresh installation for the Corel VideoStudio app. Finally, we hope that we have succeeded in helping you to solve your problem with the app. Do not forget to add your comment about video.